Today, I'm interested in designing a drug for cancer treatment targeting KRAS. I've identified a scaffold of interest and want to explore information, including bioactivity information, against the target. In Reaxys, I'm going to search for KRAS, but I'm also going to draw a structure for my scaffold of interest. I'm going to begin by drawing a quick view of our structure. In Reaxys, you have many opportunities to define and refine your scaffold of interest. Along this side here, we have Reaxys generics. So our Reaxys group generics will allow you to add acyclic and cyclic generic groups onto your overall structure. We also have atoms, or the option to add any halogens, metals, heteroatoms to your overall structure. One of the features that I like to use is the periodic table and to add an atom list. So I'm interested in several atoms that could be located on locations on our scaffold. So I'm going to select those elements and atom list, hit OK, and add those potential atoms to my scaffold of interest. Along the side here, I'm also going to select as a substructure. So it will look for my core scaffold in the larger set and transfer that to the query. I am able to pair KRAS with the substructure and select search. This will bring me to the results page for my search. And as you can see, I can see document information as well as substance and target information for this search. And the information will load in here and we'll be able to view our substances. You'll see the view results here populate, and we can go ahead and jump in. So when I hit view results, I will be able to view the relevant substances of interest that match my search. You'll be able to look and see the scaffold embedded in here. Since I'm interested in looking at bioactivity data, I'm going to limit by measurement px. This is a normalized value for bioactivity information in Reaxys. It's going to include things like LV50, IC50 information. I'll limit to this. This will bring me substances that match that measurement px parameters. I can still review those individually here for things like bioactivity, drug likeness, but I want to view them together. So I'm going to select the Bioactivity Visualizer here at the top. This will bring in information for all of the targets of interest, and I can also sort by activity to bring the information forward on my targets of interest. You can do the same here for substances. So if you were interested in a specific substance bioactivity with several targets, you could do that as well. We can click on an individual square. This will bring forward the target and the substance name, as well as relevant identification data. I can select drug likeness, and it will show me the Lipinski and Verber rule components of the substance and target, as well as information on the in vitro efficacy. So here we have KD here for this particular example. I could view another set of information. Let's do here. You can see the drug likeness information. We also have in vitro efficacy data, and then we have toxicity and pharmacology data as well for this particular substance and target record.